Scale of chords. This concept is used to either measure or mark the angles without using the protractor. The first step is construction of a scale of chords. So for that, draw a line of any length. This length is your choice. Consider the length as 60 mm and call this line as some AB. Starting point is 0. Then draw a perpendicular from point B as shown here. Call this point as C. BC length equal to AB. AB and BC are equal and perpendicular. Then take B as center, AB as radius, draw a quadrant. Now divide this quadrant into 9 equal parts. For dividing this into 9 equal parts, initially divide this into 3 equal parts by taking the trial and error method. So using trial and error method, I have divided this into 3 equal parts. This is 30, 60 and 90. Now divide each segment into 3 equal parts. Again following the trial and error method as shown. Now 90 degrees, 0 to 90, all the degrees are represented along the quadrant. Now take A as center, A to 10 as radius, draw an arc. Next take A as center, A to 20 as radius, draw an arc and repeat the procedure up to 90. Here the verification is when you draw the arc from angle 60, that has to meet point B. Next from 70 and 80, to draw the arcs, you have to extend this line AB, Any excess portion is there, erase it and call this endpoint as D. From point D, draw a vertical line of 10 mm length and complete the rectangle as shown here. Then draw the vertical lines from the ends of remaining arcs and call these intersecting points as 90, 80 corresponding with these points. So this point is 70. Next point you are going to get is 60, then 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Then highlight the alternate divisions for better appearance. Here if you observe this line AD is not equally divided. Here 0 to 10 length is more compared to the distance between 80 and 90. So once this scale of chords is completed, then using this you can mark the angles. I want to mark an angle of 55 degrees. Now observe how I am considering 55 degrees. Here scale of chords is constructed for 10 degree. I want to get 55 degree. Then I have to consider midpoint here, and through that midpoint I have to draw one more arc as shown here. So in between 50 and 60 I am taking midpoint, I am drawing one more arc. To mark an angle of 55 degrees, draw a line AB which is equal to again 60 mm. So this AB length and this AB length must be same. Then draw an arc taking B as center. Again draw a quadrant. I want 55 degrees. So this A to this 55. That means this A to this 55 along this horizontal. This length is equal to this length. So this will be the chord length of this particular segment. So assume that is some K. So A as center, this K as radius, draw an arc. So call that point as C. This distance is K. Then draw a line joining B and C. The angle ABC is now 55 degrees. In this way, you have to mark the angles using scale of chords.